Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on Slack. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, DMs and Activity on the bottom, and at the top left corner, you're gonna find your workspaces. Once you tap on that, go to Preferences, then go ahead and tap on Advanced. Under Advanced Settings, you have to scroll down and find Account Settings, which will take you to a preferred web browser. Now there you can see options like password, two-factor authentication, email address, etc. Tap on Expand right beside email address, and all you have to do is type in your current password there. Once you type in your current password, you have to add in new email address. Make sure you don't make any errors here. Once you do that, go ahead, open your Gmail, then confirm your email address from Gmail. Select your preferred web browser. It's gonna take you to your workspace.slack.com, and there you go. Your email address has been updated. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.